right before I leave the crib, I fill my socks up. Black toy, 50 in the drum, get them wrapped up. Double cup, popping another seal, it's kinda act up.
Hey guys, Zep Productions here. In this video, I'm taking a look at the H&K MP5K PDW by Umarex. This was $109 on Amazon, and the link is down in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing. This is a .177 caliber CO2 BB repeater as said on the box. Fires BBs at 400 FPS, semi-auto, and holds 40 rounds in the magazine. On the box, you can see it's over 21 inches, fully extended, and it has a folding stock. It uses 4.5mm steel BBs, 12 gram CO2 cartridge, and a 40 round drop free magazine. It also has blowback. On the side of the box is the same information we just went over. 400 FPS velocity, 12 gram CO2 cartridge, and etc. Throughout the box there's more graphics of the gun itself. This is with the stock fully extended, and this is with the stock folded. More of the same information on the back too. On the other side is your barcode, made in Taiwan, the color of the gun, which is all black. On the back there's a lot more information. Double action only, .177 caliber, steel BBs, fixed front and rear sights. There's a safety manual. It also has a 6-inch smoothbore barrel. On the back there's a little diagram and graphic blueprint of the gun itself. Just kind of explains what everything does and what buttons are what. Closer look at this. Inside there's a little piece of paper that has quick tips on it, such as reading the manual, how to load it, and all that. On the other side it's just in a different language. Inside the box we have the 40 round magazine, which is a banana style magazine. Here's the BB catch. It goes all the way down and just stays if you put it all the way down. And to put it back up, you just simply press the button on the bottom of the magazine. Looking at the gun itself, it's made out of all plastic. It has a muzzle brake at the end of the barrel. Really shiny and high quality plastic, nothing creaks. .177 caliber written right up there. Here's your safety, on and off. It only has a semi-auto function, as I mentioned earlier. And here's the back, the stock. You just fold it out and it clicks into place. Just like that, and then it extends over 21 inches. Let me move the box out the way so I can get the whole gun in frame. It also has a little foregrip at the end. Here's the safety and instruction manual. Inside there's 3 pieces of paper. Little rewards club for Umarex telling you to sign up. And advertising some of their products too, like their BBs and CO2. Inside is a paper saying do not return this product to the store, just contact Umarex directly and they will help you out. Airgun safety rules. You guys can pause the video and read these if you want. Pretty much self-explanatory. This gun is not a toy. Next, it says for ages 16 or older. This booklet goes over safety instructions, description, operation, and care of the gun. Okay, now let's get back to the gun itself. It's made out of really nice, high quality plastic like I said before. It doesn't creak, has good weight to it, and it's really solid. Some warning instructions on the side. Here's the magazine loaded up. The foregrip makes it really nice and convenient to hold. Feels great in the hand. It's much better this way that I'm holding it right now rather than just having your hand on the foregrip itself. Here's the classic MP5 loading chamber. And you can't shoot unless the magazine is out. If the mag is empty, it doesn't let you shoot. Here's how to fold the stock back. You just lift up, turn right. Really easy. I like how they did this. And of course, putting it back as I showed before. Here's the classic MP5 sights, and it can be operated as a pistol SMG too. Here's a little loop if you want to put a lanyard on this. But that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you guys next one. Have an amazing day.